You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, look a minute, that range was off quick. And the Hilux. And look at that. Volkswagen just destroy everybody. Goodbye, Volkswagen. Looks like I'm second though. That Hilux has been dropped. That was very clear cut. If you have more power, you go faster. Hence the Amarok.
But just how much quicker was the more powerful VW? Well, the Amarok did the standing quarter mile in 16.5 seconds, a whole 2 seconds ahead of the Mercedes X-Class, which took 18.5 seconds. The Mitsubishi L200 did it in 18.7 seconds, and the Ford Ranger 19.2 seconds. Last was the Toyota Hilux, which took a rather lethargic 19.6 seconds to do the quarter mile.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in automatic mode, four-wheel drive. I'm going to count it in, and then we're going to go. Right, guys, get level. You're all level. You're all level. Right, and here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this takes ages to kick down. I've got 450 Newton meters of torque, but I weigh 2 kilos. That Amarok weighs 2.2 kilos, but it's got 580 Newton meters. That L200, it's 1.9 kilos with 430 Newton meters. And the poor Hilux, which has dropped its way back there, yeah, it's got 400 Newton meters and it weighs 2.1 tons. And that Ranger, which is pretty slow, it's because it's only got 385 Newton meters of torque and it weighs 2.1 tons.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.